Hey guys, Steve here with an update to our stock trade idea for Expedia that we entered a few weeks ago. We entered the position back here on this breakout over this 8194 area. We had identified on the weekly chart a nice uptrend that was established, as well as some consolidation, and the stock eventually broke out of this weekly consolidation here in this gray box, which is back here on the daily chart, and then decided that it wanted to consolidate again, with these 4 or 5 weekly bars sideways, which is represented here by this consolidation and gray box. So we finally got that breakout after earnings on the 1st, and then we entered the next day on the 2nd at the open. Actually on the 4th. So this was a Friday, this was a Monday. Entered at the open, which was about 84.50, and the stock basically just decided it wanted to consolidate once again. It moved sideways, eventually somewhat breaking out on the 18th, and then has just really trickled higher since. For right now though, I think if you've been following along, what we've identified in the sorry about that, the mouse batteries died on me. So if you've been following along, what we've identified here is some consolidation areas. We've also been able to trail our initial stop from 77.38 up to 79.30, and the new stop level looks to be this 82.50. But for right now, what I've been recommending in the strategy session for anyone who's been following along with the model portfolio is we wait to move our stop to this 82.50 until the 50-day moving average is above that level. This way, when we do set our stop at 82.50, we have the trend line, the 50-day moving average, and 82.50 being this previous low here, acting as support. For right now in Expedia, it's much of the same as I've discussed in the strategy sessions. Really not much to do here. It's really just a matter of sitting on your hands, letting the stock work. The uptrend is very well established. It's a nice looking uptrend. I think at this point, we may see some consolidation towards the end of the week, going into next week, as it is a holiday week for everyone here in the US. And I don't think we're really looking for any type of big moves to happen. Eventually, I do see Expedia potentially moving sideways, coming back into trend line, and then bouncing higher. Looks like $90 right now could be a psychological resistance, but for right now, it is what it is. We have a good setup going. We were able to trail stop to take a little risk off the table. Again, I would love to trail stop to this 82.50. So hopefully maybe by next week we can do so for next week's video. If not, it would be the week after. So that's really it for my update on Expedia. If you haven't, please make sure you're following along with the strategy sessions where we go over trades just like this, not only in Expedia but also the other 12 positions that I have on for the model portfolio. And of course, the weekend updates provide all the basis to that trading and set up our plan for the week. So with that said, have a great rest of the day. Make sure you catch the strategy session tonight, and we'll see you later on. Take care.